Imagine checking your phone at 9:30 in the morning to find a notification for a new $1,000 project. You didn't manually design the website, and the AI handled all the initial outreach while you were asleep. We are building a system that turns a solo operator into a full-scale agency. By the end of this tutorial, you will have an automated pipeline that finds local leads, designs custom websites, hosts them live, and physically takes over your browser to send direct messages to prospective clients. To set this up, you need the Claude desktop app and the Claude Chrome extension. You will also need free accounts on Canva, Vercel, and Wallop. The most profitable way to use AI right now is to sell a completed outcome. Instead of selling a tool, you are selling the finished service, using automation to replace weeks of manual labor with a few minutes of processing. First, we need to find our targets. Open Claude Desktop, create a new project, and define your objective. We are scouting for local restaurants that need a website upgrade. We can program this search to happen on a schedule. You instruct Claude to execute a fresh lead sweep every morning at exactly 7 a.m. To keep the leads high quality, tell the AI to ignore large corporate chains. It should specifically seek out independent, local businesses that either have no website at all or one that hasn't been updated in years. Claude scours the web and organizes the results into a tracking document, pulling the restaurant names and their direct Instagram handles automatically. This eliminates the manual prospecting that usually drains an agency owner's time. You simply wake up to a list of warm targets that are ready for the next step. Now we gather the data. Instruct Claude to scrape the social media profiles and existing menus of these restaurants to ensure the new sites are accurate to their business. AI can sometimes avertate details, so you must add a strict rule to the project instructions. The system is only allowed to use 100% real menu items and photos gathered from the restaurant's actual profiles. Without guidance, AI-generated code tends to produce very generic, unappealing layouts that don't look like professional business sites. We solve this by downloading a brand guidelines PDF from Canva and uploading it to the Claude project. This gives the AI a rigid design framework to follow. By providing this design logic, the output moves from a basic wall of text to a cohesive, premium restaurant site that reflects the brand. AI provides the raw speed, but your curation of the design style ensures the final product meets a professional standard. This combination of automated execution and human aesthetics makes the service valuable to a business owner. A website is only useful if it's live. We need to move the code from Claude to a shareable internet link, and we use Vercel to host it. Inside Vercel, generate an API access token and paste it back into your Claude workspace. This lets the AI publish sites directly to the web. We set our second scheduled task for 8 a.m. This tells the AI to take every site it just designed and host it live on a unique URL. The AI then returns to your lead sheet and updates it with the live link for every prospect it identified that morning. When you reach out to a client, you aren't pitching a concept. You are dropping a finished, functioning product in their lap, which makes your message nearly impossible to ignore. The final step is outreach. The Claude Chrome extension allows the AI to navigate your browser and interact with pages on your behalf. Set your final task for 9 a.m. The AI pulls the live link from the sheet, finds the business on Instagram, and opens a message. It types out a personalized note to the owner, providing the link to their newly built site. To keep your account safe, you must cap this to 25 messages a day. Any more, and Instagram's spam filters may flag your profile. Finally, we need a way to get paid. We use wap.com to create a simple payment gateway. You generate a one-time checkout link titled Website Services for $1,000. Providing a live link to their specific restaurant provides immediate proof of value. Once the owner replies, you send the WAP link to finalize the project and secure the fee. By 9 a.m., your agency has already found the leads, built the sites, and sent the pitches while you were still waking up. Your remaining tasks are to respond to the owners who reach out, send the payment links, and connect their custom domains once they've paid. While the AI is the engine doing the work, you are still the operator. It is your job to review the sites and ensure the quality is perfect before the automation sends them out. If you find this valuable, please make sure to follow and subscribe. Rise, raise.